Hello friends, today we are going into the enterprise structure, how to define enterprise structure into the Oracle Cloud. So that day we saw that the enterprise structure is created for the multi-country, multiple location enterprise, where Vision Enterprise is the top level under which US and APAC divisions are there. Under US division, there are North America primary ledger or LE legal entity and South America legal entity. Under North America primary ledger, there are New York and California business units, and each one actually having their own inventory organization. So let's see how actually we can define into Oracle Cloud. So here, just go to the your setup and maintenance, which actually attached to the financial setup manager. There you need to create first your implementation project. You can go to the task panel and manage implementation projects, which you can create a new implementation project. So here I am just giving Vision implementation project. It automatically takes that description. It is not started it. Click on next. After clicking on next, you can see the different offerings. That day we saw the all financials offering. Similar to financials, there are order management, supply chain planning, product management, and all different offerings are there. Supply chain planning, you can see sales. Now we are going into financials. So just select financials and save and open projects. You can add or remove all these offerings anytime during duration of this implementation of this project, your new project. Instance is slow. Now your Vision implementation project is created, where you can see the different tasks defined under which. Now just click on done. You can assign task also from there. Now we are going into general ledger, under which we'll go into establish enterprise structure task. You can see this. Yeah, let's go into the there are different enterprise. If you see here is Vision Corporation, it's a merger and acquisition, but we have to create a new one. Just click on add, create enterprise configuration. So we are seeing the Vision Enterprise. Give the same name here. Okay. Here you can see the different steps for defining your enterprise. Like initial stage is the enterprise information, of course, with their short name. You see the short name, you can give the VC, primary industry, in which industry you are there, educational services or finance or any IT, information technology, headquarter country, if you give it to just selecting any, suppose United States head of country. Then legal name, what should be the legal name for that in that country, United States. So just giving Vision Corporation, legal entity identifier Vision Corporation again. This is nothing but legal entity created for your highest level of enterprise. You can give it to LE as well. Then registration number, you can mention any legal entity registration number and legal address. So you can create address or select the address. Or suppose I'm giving. Then continue with the interview to set up more legal entities or complete setup for a single legal entity in single country. But we have multiple countries like India, Australia. So just click on continue with the interview to set up a more legal entities and click on next. I think New York location is not there, so just create it. Okay. Next. Here you can see the legal entities created under which there are divisions. You need to create a division. So just click on plus sign and create a US division LE. Description same, or you just give your enterprise name as well. Description same, country United States. Location just select that. One more division we have India division as well, so or APAC division, sorry. So we have APAC division L. So description is same, country, suppose APAC division having head office in India, so just select India. Location, let's see Pune if they're available. Click on next. So it's not there, so just create it. Pune. Okay. Click on next. Here you can create your establish enterprise structure legal entities automatically if you click on here, and you can add as well. So just select on create generate automatically. So two division will be created under the main enterprise structure. So if you see that India, so Vision US division or APAC division, select is a APAC division. For US, you just select a US division and click on OK. So you see this, there are three legal entities created with division assigned to it. But we have a multiple legal entities here. As you see here under US division, there are North America and South America, as well as under APAC, there are India and Australia. So we have to create, we have to first add a description, legal entity identifier. give it some number. 1, 4-digit number. Legal address you have to assign here, Pune, which you just selected. Then one is for US division. And select a new arc. Click on save. For the legal and it will already exist. Okay, so just need to pack Pune. Long, so Pune, pack Pune, LE. Okay, it is saved. Now you have few more legal entities under your divisions. So just create that under US division. You have North America and South America primary ledgers. So just select United States. Name, you have to mention the name. Region, US, NAUS, LE. Division in the US division. Of course, you can give it to legal entity identifier and mention here registration number and legal reporting unit structure. Can select as a New York. Click on save. Just create one more. This South America division or South America primary ledgers, you can select the country, the Mexico as we mentioned here, South primary ledger, Mexico business unit. So just see if it is available. Mexico definitely should be available. Mexico country. And you can mention vision Mexico or South America USLE. Vision again you can assign to US Vision division. Legal entity identifier. Just give it appropriate number. Here you need to create a new location now. Mexico. Select any city here and click OK. Okay, it's created now. Click on save. It is saved. Similarly, for APAC division, we have a multiple locations. So click on plus. So under APAC, we have mainly India primary ledger and Australia primary ledger. So we have to select those. India, Division DILE. Division you need to assign APAC division. Here you just give your registration number, and division you just mention Pune. Save it. Similarly, one more. For Australia. Select Australia. Region AU ALE. Division APAC. Legal entity identifier. Select legal address. If it is not available, just create it. We given here Sydney as a location for business unit. You can create their head office in Sydney. Sydney. Select Sydney. So if you see that ultimate holding company is Tickmark Vision Corporation ALE, and under which actually we have reached till this level. Under North America, there are again New York and California BU, Mexico BU, Bangalore and Pune BU, Sydney BU. So for which you can create a separate business unit for those. Or if you want to create a separate legal entity, you can create a legal entity. Once it is done, just click on save. Next. There are options under this. You can create a business unit. This is, we have reached to the third level. So if you see that there, you can create a the business unit automatically once you, as per your legal entity created, or you can create it manually as well. So just select all, because you wanted to select, create a business units for each of this legal entity created. Which again we have to, if you manually add few business unit, you can add it. But it is giving message that units will be deleted. If you want to continue, I'm just canceling it. Just go back and create a legal entity. So you have to create it actually. You can create automatically all this business unit created. So let's go to, we have till Mexico SA, we created that. Let's go to under India, we have Bangalore LE is pending. So just select India. Bangalore LE. Just give it as a APAC. Division, of course, APAC. Then just give it 7. Create address if it is not. Bangalore. Just give it meaningful timing. I'm assigning this. Bangalore. Save it. Also, we have few more ALEs which need to be created. Like we created Australia primary ledger, we have to create a Sydney BU. So just we have created already North America, under which New York BU we attach as a city as a New York. We can create separately or we can use it, but we have need to create a California, Mexico, and Sydney. Okay, let's go. Country United States. Region. Division US. Sorry. Give a meaningful number. Legal address, if it is not present, you have to create it. Location is already created. That's what it is stating. Search it. Los Angeles. Create Los Angeles, suppose. It's already there. Los Angeles is a city there. There. Time being, just assign which available. Save it. Then we need to create for Mexico BU. Mexico also we have already created South primary ledger LE. Only one business unit is there, so not required to create. Bangalore we already created, Pune as well. So we'll create Sydney also not required that way because Australia we created one LE. Click on next. So we have covered almost all locations. Click on next. Now you can see this all locations, all business units are active. Locations are created. Next. Reference data set, you to mention the reference data set. Like in enterprise, there is a common reference data set. Reference data set, nothing but you can access the master values under against or under different business unit. So you don't need to create again and again under every business unit. That is the advantage of a reference data set, which you can utilize in the next step. You can see that reference data set, you can assign it like North America, South America, all this now reference data set created. So now for Vision essays, it's a South America. So you have to create essay US LE set, that is a reference set. Similarly for Vision NA US set. this is a mandatory step. You have to actually provide that this Vision Corporation LEBU. It's a common set you can mention. Vision India, you can give it to APAC as a head office in India. Then Vision Bangalore, you can create a Bangalore one. APAC division LEBU. So division LEBU, again you can give it to the LE India, LE India. US division LE United States. So you have to provide the US division reference data set. For Australia, you can mention AU LE set. In California also, you can give it to US division state. Similarly, you can mention it and save it. Your changes are saved. Click on next. Now you reach to this location where already all assigned location reference set. Also, you can assign it to location wise. So Bangalore, if you can mention the Bangalore LE set. Location reference set, according to location, you have to give it to the reference data set. So SA, US LE set. New York, you can give it to NAUS LE set. Pune, you can give it to APAC or Vision India LE set. Sydney, you can give it to AU LE set. Click on save. Changes were saved. Click on next. You can see that your two division enterprise name is Vision Corporation, under which there are two division, Vision APAC division and Vision US division, according to their countries, and under which these are legal entity created. Under legal entity, these are many business units are created. So reference data sets you can see here. This is all results. Also, you can see the reporting structure under this screen. There are two division created this. Under division, these are legal entities created. We have created. Let's go back. Like this is your enterprise structure defined. You can go and check at any time. Okay? And after that, you can start creating your transactions. Okay. Thank you very much.